Inclusion of names in electoral rolls. Section 23 of the Representation of People Act 1915. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 23 of the RP Act 1915. Article 324 is about superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is preparation of electoral rolls and conduct of election. Article 325 says there will be one general rule for every territorial constituency. No person shall be ineligible for inclusion in electoral rolls on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or any of them. Article 326 says election for Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha on the basis of adult suffrage. Electors to be citizen of India, not to be less than 18 years of age as on qualifying date. Disqualification for registration, non-residence, unsoundness of mind, disqualified on the basis of crime, corrupt practice, illegal practice related to elections. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted RP Act 1915. Section 23 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rules for assembly constituencies. Section 23 is about inclusion of names in electoral rules. If a person's name is not in the electoral rule of a constituency, they can apply to the ERO. The ERO will include the name if satisfied the person is eligible after proper verification. If the person is already registered in another constituency, the ERO will inform that constituency's ERO, who will remove the name there after verification. No changes to the electoral rule can be made after the last date of filing nominations in that constituency until the election is over. To verify identity, the ERO may ask for applicant's Aadhaar number. The ERO may also ask for Aadhaar from the people already on the electoral roll to check for the duplicate entries. Every person whose name is included in the electoral roll may intimate his Aadhaar number to ERO. But at present, the set date of submission is over. No one will be denied registration or have their name removed just because they cannot provide Aadhaar if they have a valid reason. In such cases, they can submit other documents as allowed. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted. And then Section 23 was framed. And in the Section 23, the Article 325 and Article 326 has been included. Conclusion and extra points. Requirement of verification. Before including any name in an electoral roll, proper verification as per the prescribed procedure is required. Applicability of Election Commission directions. The ERO must act in line with any general or special directions issued by the Election Commission of India. Transposition within or outside the constituency. If a person moves to a new address within or outside the constituency, their name to be shifted, that is transposed to the correct part of the roll. The name not to be deleted. The name have to be transposed. Necessary forms. Form 6 for inclusion. For transposition, we use the Form 8. For transposition from outside the state, declaration is also required along with the Form 8, apart from attaching necessary documents. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In this education video, we have learned about the Section 23 of RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.